Cooking isn't just a task, it's a craft that thrives on the tools you use. And this Calphalon Ceramic Nonstick 12 pieces cookware set is a game changer for anyone passionate about their kitchen. Designed with modern cooks in mind, this premium set combines innovative features like PFAS-free ceramic coating, quick cleaning technology, and oven-safe versatility to elevate your culinary journey. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting, its durable, stylish, and health-focused design makes every meal an effortless success. With the perfect balance of convenience, performance, and aesthetic appeal, this cookware set is your ticket to transforming daily cooking into a joyous and efficient experience. Key features. 1. Durable ceramic nonstick coating. The PFAS-free ceramic coating not only ensures healthier cooking by eliminating the need for oils or butter, but also offers scratch resistance and compatibility with metal utensils. Cooking enthusiasts will love how their food effortlessly slides off the surface, minimizing mess and making cleanup a breeze. 2. Quick cleaning technology. Gone are the days of scrubbing pots and pans. With its quick cleaning technology, food residues rinse off easily, saving time and effort. 3. Oven-safe versatility. The cookware is safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning you can seamlessly move from stovetop to oven for dishes like baked pastas or roasted vegetables. 4. Fast and even heating. The aluminum construction ensures rapid and consistent heat distribution, eliminating hot spots and ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. 5. Cool-to-touch handles. The long stainless steel handles remain cool on the stovetop, ensuring a safer and more comfortable cooking experience. Real-world usage. 1. Breakfast feasts made easy. Whip up fluffy omelets and golden pancakes effortlessly. The non-stick coating ensures zero sticking, even with minimal oil. 2. One-pot wonders. From soups to stews, the Dutch oven is your go-to for hearty meals. Its consistent heating ensures flavors meld beautifully. 3. Healthy sautéing. Whether it's a vegetable stir-fry or a shrimp sauté, the fry pans make cooking faster and healthier, with no compromise on taste. 4. Oven-to-table convenience. Impress your guests by roasting and serving directly in the elegant cookware, thanks to its oven-safe design. Durability and maintenance. Durability is one of Calphalon's trademarks, and this set doesn't disappoint. The ceramic coating resists scratches, even with regular use of metal utensils. Plus, cleaning is as simple as a quick rinse or wipe down. For those who prefer, it's dishwasher safe, though hand washing is recommended to prolong its life. Health benefits. Cooking without the need for additional fats not only promotes healthier eating, but also highlights the natural flavors of your ingredients. Additionally, the PFAS-free coating ensures your meals are free from harmful chemicals, a major win for health-conscious consumers. Pros and cons. Pros: exceptional non-stick performance, stylish and durable design, quick and easy cleaning, even heat distribution, healthier cooking options. Cons: ceramic coating, while durable, may wear out faster if not properly maintained. Slightly higher price point compared to standard non-stick cookware. Who is it for? The Calphalon Ceramic Nonstick 12 pieces cookware set is ideal for home chefs looking for versatile and reliable cookware, health-conscious cooks aiming to reduce oil usage, busy individuals who prioritize easy cleaning and maintenance. In conclusion, this Calphalon Ceramic Nonstick 12 pieces cookware set embodies the perfect balance of functionality, durability, and style, making it an essential upgrade for any modern kitchen. Its PFAS-free ceramic coating promotes healthier cooking while ensuring effortless food release and easy cleanup. With even heat distribution, scratch-resistant surfaces, and oven-safe versatility, this set caters to beginners and seasoned chefs alike. Whether you're crafting gourmet meals or quick weeknight dinners, its thoughtful design enhances every step of the cooking process. Investing in this cookware set not only elevates your culinary adventures, but also simplifies your life, leaving you with more time to enjoy what truly matters: delicious food and cherished moments with loved ones. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.